Welcome to the Little Beading Closet. I'm Sherry. Let's take a look at the supplies that we need to make our ring. We're going to need 4 silky beads, some size 11 seed beads, and Superduos. I'm going to use a coordinating color for all of those. And then we'll need 6 diamond duos and 4 3mm fire polish, also in coordinating colors. I'm going to use about 2 feet of wildfire and 2 needles. Let's begin. Begin by putting a needle on one end of your thread and coming down to the other end of the thread for the other needle. So now you have 2 needles on this 2-foot section of thread. And we're going to pick up a diamond duo from this bottom right hole, and then we're going to pick up a diamond duo from the bottom left hole. We're going to pick up one of the silkies on the right side, and then a silky on the left side, a silky on the right side, a diamond duo on the bottom left, and a diamond duo on the bottom right. Now we're going to bring this near the center of our thread. And you want to lay the thread along the edge of this diamond duo. So we're going to go back into the other hole of the last diamond duo you just added, like so. Now we're going to pick up a diamond duo from the bottom left and go into the silky. Just right there. We're going to pick up a silky from the left side and go into this top silky, just like that. Now we're going to pick up our last diamond duo from the bottom left and enter into this diamond duo right here. Now that we have that part together, I'm going to turn it. I'm going to take my needle that's coming out here and needle into the other side of this diamond duo and end up all the way back up here. So I went through 2 diamond duos at a time there. And then I need to go through my silky. Meanwhile, I'm pulling this other side just to keep the tension tight on both threads. Go through the middle silky. I'm up here to the top silky now. And again, we're going to go through this diamond duo and that one only. Not through the top. So we're coming out here. We're going to repeat the process on the other side. Go into the diamond duo. So the thread will lay on the side of the diamond duo. Come into the next diamond duo and silky. Through the diamond duo. Through the silky here. Through my next silky and diamond duo. So now my thread is coming out of this diamond duo and this one. I turn my work again to face myself. Picking up my needle. Coming out of this diamond duo, I'm going to go into the empty hole of this diamond duo. Pick up my first fire polish and come into the Silky. Pick up another fire polish and go into the diamond duo. I'm going to turn my work towards me again, and I need to needle back up this way. So coming out of this diamond duo, I'm going to go into the other side of it. Excuse me while I try to get the needle started. You might hear my helpers in the background. They are playing this morning, keeping me company as I bead. Let's keep going through the Silky, through the next Silky, and diamond duo. And I want to end up coming out of this end diamond duo. So I'll go ahead and pull my thread through. Now I'm going to turn my work towards me. The side that does not have the fire polish yet, that's what we're going to add. So I'm going to pick up the needle that's coming out of this diamond duo, lay the thread along the side, coming into the empty hole of the diamond duo. Pick up one of my fire polish, come into the Silky. Yes, they're very talkative today, my helpers back there. Pick up one more 3mm fire polish and into this next diamond duo. Now again, I need to needle back from here to there. So I'm going to go into the diamond duo and Silky. I can't do it all in one pass, so I just do maybe 1 or 2 beads at a time. Again, coming through this Silky, the next Silky, he's complaining about the tripod that is on the floor. I don't know. Sometimes they're so funny, our pets. And then through these 2 diamond duos. So now we have the top part of our ring completed. And we're just going to attach the band now. For the band, I'm using the different diamond duo, the Superduos in size 11s in the same color as my top. So I'm going to start with an 11 and then pick up a Superduo, an 11 and a Superduo, and continue until for my finger I need 12 Superduos. After you get on 10 to 12 Superduos, you can check the size. So let's continue adding for the band an 11 and a Superduo. So I just have a few left to pick up. We're gonna check the size here in just a moment. Let's continue adding our 11s and Superduos. And you want to make sure that you end with an 11. So since I already made one, I do know that this is 12 Superduos. But if you had any question of whether or not it would fit at this point, you could just come back through one diamond duo and put it around your finger and see how, if you need to adjust and add more Superduos or take some off. At this point you could. Go ahead and take my needle back out. I don't need it in there at the moment, because now we just need to add 11s between all these Superduos to finish the band. So this ring's coming along pretty quickly. Now you can see all you're going to be doing is adding 11 right here between every Superduo. I added an 11 between each Superduo and ended with the 11s. Now I just need to turn this over, and I'm going to start with one of the threads. We'll go with this one that's closest to you, and I just need to come into this diamond duo right here, and we'll do the same with the other thread coming into the diamond duo. Just check to make sure you didn't twist the band as you did that little step. Now to finish it, I'm going to go ahead and turn my work towards myself again, and I'm going to needle back through the beads here on my band, or top of my ring, to get to the other side. So went through a diamond duo, I'll go through the Silky. Let's untangle that. Almost. Goodness. Through the middle Silky. And like I said, I usually just go through one bead at a time. If you can get through all of them, that's on you. There's no way I can do that. So I'm going to continue. Went through that one. And we got 2 diamond duos left to go through. So I'm going to go right through this diamond duo. And one more diamond duo until my thread is now exiting the diamond duo just here by where the band begins. I'm going to repeat the process on the other side. So again, I'm just going to needle through my diamond duo, heading up to the band, through my Silky, through my next Silky, easier said than done sometimes, right? Let's see. This one's giving me all sorts of difficulties. If we can just get through here, we'll be doing good. Let's see. All we need to do is go through this Silky here, It just seems to want to stick on the silky above it, so sometimes they can be difficult. And I'll just grab a pair of pliers for some extra grip to push my needle through. There we go. And we have the silky here. And then 2 more diamond duos, this one. And then we'll be coming out the very next diamond duo to the band. So this is the one next to the band. I turn my work towards me again. You can see now we have our thread coming out of this diamond duo next to the band. To finish it off, I'm just going to needle into the band. I'll go through an 11 and a Superduo, and then I think I'll add a half hitch knot right here. Go through the next 11 and Superduo. Again, just maybe add a half hitch knot here. Through the next 11 and Superduo. And you're going to want to repeat that with this other side. So all you'll do is the same process, and then we'll be complete. I hope you enjoyed today's beading tutorial. I really hope you have a chance to make one of these for yourself or a friend. And until next time, happy beading.